Hi guys, it's me, Hasba with WTI, and this is Tommy Girl by Tommy Hilfiger. It's one of these classy perfumes that a lot of people know, and I am not the exception. I know that a lot of you will love how this perfume smells if you haven't smelled it yet. Let me tell you about it and why I love it so much. Because Tommy Girl perfume is so floral and feminine, I think that it's the best option for a daytime fragrance we're in spring and summer. Whenever I wear this perfume, it takes me back to when I used to go to my grandma's house on summer vacations. It was my go-to, and everyone would ask what I was wearing. About the housing, well, this perfume bottle is pretty simple and delicate, I would say. Very feminine, curved, and it has a silver tone cap and the words Tommy Girl in red lettering. So if you're like me, a girl who's really fun and is looking to find the perfect fragrance for summer or for a brunch date, this one's for you. I would recommend it, and that's just my point of view.